Hello guys, it's Bo Rick Hipster back over here today. I'm back with another unboxing video today. As you can see by the thumbnail and title, I'm gonna be unboxing my HyperX keycaps. If you hear kids in the background, don't worry about that. There's a lot of kids here, okay? Anyways, but here I have it right in here. So I'm gonna get to unboxing. I think I'm gonna switch it right there. Maybe I might switch the kit. Alright, so we got the unboxing thing right here. So let's start. So they might have a chance to not fit this keyboard, but I'm gonna try it on my SteelSeries keyboard also. But hopefully it fits this keyboard because this has more RGB than my SteelSeries Apex 100 keyboard. But let's get to unpacking this thing. Yes, sir. Stop playing with a mask. As you guys can see, putting keycaps, double shot PBT. Yes, sir. It's a kit, so it comes with like that thing also, so you can take out the caps. But hopefully that keyboard looks like this by the end of this moment of truth. Let's even see if it fits. So let's unbox this. Tape on the side. Okay, got that. Oh, my mouse. Got that off. Here are all the caps. So that's one side of the keyboard. And these are the other sides of the keyboards. These are. Okay, anything else in the box? I guess this is like a manual of how to put it. Just the layout. But I already know what I'm doing. So where's the WA is? These things look amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one first. Alright, so I got some scissors. Alright, let's cut this open. All the caps just okay, so that's the inside. Hopefully it fits. That does look kind of big, so let me compare. As you can see, that's the regular one, this is the big one. So for the moment of truth, let's see if it fits. This is, I don't know what part sec is. I don't know what that one is. Okay, this tape just, okay, let me see if I can get a key that. F12. Alright, F12. Let's see if it fits on F12. Oh, it fits! Can you guys see it? Right there? It fits! It actually fits! Let's go! I was so worried it wasn't gonna fit, but it actually fit perfectly. Oh, this keyboard is about to look amazing! I'm so happy right now. Okay, I'm gonna get all these keys open. Oh my god, it actually fits. There's actually no way.
That's what she said.
Sheesh. I'm not gonna lie, chat, I wasn't having the best day today, but now that I know that this fits, man, I'm so happy because this keyboard is the upgrade. Okay, so I have these open. I'm gonna just put those. Hope I don't lose anything. Okay, that's all of that. So let's start putting. I might just fast forward this. So yeah. Okay, I put a couple in and you can barely see them. So I'm gonna just cut to all these being done and I'll be right back. Okay, so the keyboard is turned off right now because my laptop have turned off and I don't feel like turning it back on. But we're creeping up. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. So we're about to finish those and I want to do the last 6 on camera for this side. I've been actually using this. I didn't think I would actually have to use this, but no, I need it. I need this. But yeah, I'm so excited it fit. I probably should have like cleaned my keyboard. I'm probably gonna do that anyways. I'm gonna like clean my keyboard after this because it's not the best. These caps have like big abbreviations. This actually tells me, you know. INS. I mean, you know, this has some abbreviations also, but you know. And where's this supposed to be? Part what? Part 6. Right. Don't know what any of these keycaps mean, but okay, the last and final one. Where is it supposed to go? Wait. Sorry, I'm a little slow in the head sometimes. And boom, that right there concludes the first half. How does that look? That looks beautiful. That's the first half, and we got more to go. So stay tuned. All right, now I think this is the middle. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the middle right there, and then the last one. So we're gonna go from here to there. So yeah, let's take these out. I'm probably gonna make these more organized. So like maybe not. Maybe not. I mean, it depends how it comes out. If it comes out organized, it comes out organized. No, I'm saying. Well, it looks like it didn't come out organized. Actually, no. I can actually see like what I gotta do. This is perfect right here. So I'm obviously gonna know where it's supposed to go. So I'm gonna just cut to where it's at. So boom, we switched all the keycaps out. That's the middle done, and now I believe it's just the last part here and these two right here. So let's get right into it, you feel me? Alright, I'm actually gonna attempt trying to take it out good, so I could do this. I already effed up. No, wait, no. Hold on. Yes, sir. Got the move, you feel me? Yes, sir. Alright, that's about to go right there. So let's hurry up and do it. Oh god. Okay, and that's the full keyboard. Oh my god. These are HyperX putting keycaps. They're amazing on, oh my god. I'm so happy I got these, and I'm so happy they fit my keyboard. I'm gonna go get my sister so she could like tell me what she thinks, you feel me? But you know, blue switches, they feel so good. So we're just waiting for the RGB. Let me go get my sister and see what she thinks. This is everybody seeing. Look at that.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay.
And that's the putting keycaps, guys. Have you guys seen how it was doing it before? And now it's just, that's clean. Look at that.
That's nice.
That's nice. Thank you. But yeah, this is the new setup right there. You guys can rate it 1 to 10. That's how the new keyboard looks. I am absolutely in love with it. Let me try the different modes. Is that rainbow, and then oh my god, this is like one of my new favorites now. Oh my god. And you obviously got that, and then you got the where it spins around like that in the rainbow, and then it has that. So yeah, that concludes the video.
I just wanna be what I really want. I peeped that you changed and I ain't in frontin'. Enemy wanted me to come out. I skipped out the scene cause the scene ain't nothing. Faded, only thing is long night. So please don't judge, I'ma start taking flight. Faded, only thing I see is lights. The camera flies, time flies, everything is right.